Priyanka Chopra is known for her big, beautiful, bold looks, and I thought why not recreate a look that she had worn. I had also placed a poll, and most of y'all wanted me to try out this look. This is a smoky eye tutorial with a slight twist. And if you're ready, let's get into today's video. In this look, Priyanka Chopra has got big, bushy, bold brows, and I thought let's recreate that on mine. We're going to start by brushing our hair downwards and filling in the sparse areas. I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade dark brown. Create a straight line in the front and fill the front of the brow with hair-like strokes. In order to get this style to last long, you need a clear brow gel, and I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Lamination Gel. Let's carve the brow even more, and with our concealer, let's do that. I'm using the shade Tan 07. For eyeshadow, I chose the Too Faced Natural Nudes palette, and with the shade Nude and the E35 brush, let's apply that all over the lid. Do that on the bottom lash line too. With the Jessup E01 brush, which is a small tapered brush, and the shade Coca, we are going to be building up the outer corner of the eye in a diagonal line. Take time with this because you want to try and be as precise as possible. And now with the fluffy brush, let's blend that into the previous shade so that it looks seamless, and bring some of it towards the center of the eye too. Apply the shade Coca to the bottom lash line, just make sure it's halfway through only. With the E42 brush and with the deeper shade Truffle, we are going to be doing the same thing in a diagonal line. We are going to be deepening out the outer V. In short, this is where the smokiness of the eye comes in. And I'm packing on the shadow for maximum pigment. With a shade Nude and a sort of a small fluffy brush, let's blend that into our skin tone. Apply shade Truffle on the bottom lash line. For shimmer, we are going to be going in with the shade Sugar Chestnut on our fingers, and we're going to dab it from the end part of the outer V. Blend that out with a brush. Going in with Sparkling Sand on our fingers again, we are going to be gently tapping this just to the center of the lid. And with the shade Shimmering Pearl on a brush for more precision, we are going to be applying that to the inner corner of the eye. Now with any black eyeshadow and with the Refer 03 brush, let's deepen out the corner of the eye. I'm also deepening out the upper lash line. I just prefer a black shade because this will add intense smokiness just like Priyanka had on her eyes. With the shade Nude, let's go and blend all of that properly. And with our black shade, don't forget to apply that to 1/4 of the bottom lash line. With the shade Sugared Chestnut and with a precise brush, let's apply that to the bottom lash line. And with the shade Shimmering Pearl, let's apply that to the rest half of the eye. Take a spoolie brush and you can remove any shimmer or glitter that has fallen on the face. And now with your concealer, we're going to clean up the eye. So pull it upwards in a diagonal line again, and this will give you the sharpness. Take a sponge that you have at home and blend that out into the skin. Your eyes will look something like this now. Curl those lashes for extra length. Apply a mascara. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Helithic Mascara. Take your time at this step. And here you go guys, this is the final eye look and my interpretation of Priyanka Chopra's makeup. I really hope you enjoyed this video and let me know which actress I should do next. Once again, I will see you again in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Have a good one guys. Bye-bye.